So I have a bar chart here. I'm given the information in May, the total rainfall was 35 centimetres. Here is May, there is 35 centimetres. This is a ruler and a pencil question. 35 is here. In June, the total rainfall was 20 centimetres. There's my 20, looking across here. So this is now complete. In February, there were 15.5 centimetres of rainfall because the bar is half a square above 15. So let's look at February and this. Now if I trace this along here, you can probably see it by eye, but we trace along here. This line is halfway between 15 and 20. What number is halfway between 15 and 20? Well, if you don't know that, and it's a bit tricky, the way to do it is to go 15, add 20, 35, and then we're going to divide that by 2. 35 divided by 2, 56. And if you need to do it as a bus stop, how many 2's go into 3? 1 with 1 remainder. How many 2's go into 15 or nearly 15? Well, it's 7 because we get to 14 with 1 left over. And that means that it actually should be 17.5. So she's incorrect because rainfall is actually 17.5 centimetres. She used the scale wrong. But for 1 mark, actually showing those workings and showing you know what it actually is proof that it's wrong.